Welcome back to my channel at Natasya R1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing vegan breakfast bowl. It's got coconut, it's got pomegranates, and it's got fresh banana. Take a look at it. It's perfect as a beautiful breakfast, as a snack, as a pre-workout snack or a post-workout snack. At only 200 calories a serving, I think this is phenomenal. So basically, guys, we have a beautiful smoothie machine here. And what I recommend is invest in a high-powered blender, and you can do this. I mean, a normal one can, but you want it to crush through the ice. So what we do is we first add frozen bananas, okay? Chop them up, put them into your power blender. Then add in a tin of coconut cream, okay? And then add in beetroot powder. You can use strawberry powder, you can use rose powder, any powder that gives it that natural red coloring. So you add that into your blend and you blitz that for about a minute or two. After that, you pour it into your bowl, spread it out evenly with a little spatula, and then you add your toppings. You can add coconut, you can add pomegranate. So here's my coconut here, as you can see. Some beautiful coconut. You can even toast your coconut if you'd like. And then we've got some beautiful pomegranates, which are in season here in South Africa. So you can actually take your pomegranates, scoop them out, and put them into your bowl, and then you chop some banana. I mean, really, guys, how hard was that? Look how easy it is to make your beautiful vegan breakfast bowl. Give it a shot at home. Let me know what you think. It's such an easy, simple, under 5 minutes, guys. You guys can generate this. So if you liked my recipe today, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notifications, send the video on social media, and comment. Let me know if you tried it out. You can try different flavors. I will be featuring different flavors coming soon. We'll be looking at the yellow bowl and the green bowl. Sounds a little disgusting. Trust me, it is so good for you, and you're going to have all the nutrients to help sustain you throughout the day. So stick around.